Hello, mga hinarot, pero tinarot. The topic that I will discuss for today is about conversion of units. Remember that in converting measurement from larger unit to smaller unit, we need to use multiplication, and from smaller to larger unit, we use division. But later on, meron tayong step-by-step procedure para mas maintindihan nyo ang pag-convert ng measurement. Okay, so English system of measurement. So, ito siya. Measure of length, and yung mga equivalent niya. Measure of weight and measure of volume. Okay? So, later on, magagamit natin mga yan sa pag-convert ng measurement. So, kung gusto mo naman siyang i-memorize, better. Pero, pwede din naman wag mo na i-memorize. Tingnan mo na lang kasi andyan lang naman yan. Okay? So, conversion of units from English to English tayo. English system of measurement to English system. Ito yung mga may foot, yard, miles, ganon, etc. Okay, so, let's start. Convert 324 feet to yards. Okay, so our first step is write the number with units that you want to convert. And ang ating i-convert ay 324 feet is equal to how many yards? Ilang yards yung 324 feet. So, yun yung hahanapin natin. And number 2, multiply it by conversion factor written as fraction. Okay? Make sure that the unit that you want to convert from is on the bottom. And the unit that you want to convert to, kung gusto mo kung saan siya i-convert, so from feet, sa yards siya, i-convert natin sa yards. So, yung yards ay nasa top dapat. Okay? Yung convert from, yung unit ng feet. And then, yung convert to, yung unit natin sa yards. Okay? So, yan to. Ito yung itsura niya. So, we have 3 feet is equivalent to 1 yard. Gaya nung nakita natin kanina dun sa English system of measurement. So, in over 1 lang natin yung 324 feet. Or kahit ko lang over 1 yun, pwede. Okay, ito, wait lang. So, ito siya. Ito. Okay. So, sabi dito, convert from is on the bottom. Tama? So, ito yung i-convert from natin. Yung feet to yard. Tama? So, yung convert to is on top. Yung feet kasi ko-convert natin sa yard, that's why kailangan daw yung unit ng pagko-convertan natin is nasa taas, which is the yard. Okay? So, gaya kanina, ang 3 feet ay isang yard. Okay? So, direct relation sila. Merong equivalent ang feet sa yards. Okay? So, now let us, the next step is make sure the old units cancel. So, ika-cancel natin ang old units. So, this is, since ika-convert natin sa yard, kailangan na nating makancel yung feet. So, natitira na lang is yard. Okay? So, 324 multiplied by 1, that is 324 yards. And 1 multiplied by 3, that is 3. And of course, the last part is make sure to simplify the fraction. So, what is 324 multiplied by 3? That is 108 yards. So, therefore, 324 feet is 100 yards. Hindi to os, no, is yan. So, therefore, ang 324 feet, ang equivalent niya sa yards ay 108. Okay, so that is how how we're going to convert English to English. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, what if convert 6 barrels to gallons? So later, pwede mong balikan yung mga equivalent doon ng barrels to gallons, gallons to barrels. Okay. So the first step is write the number, yung with units that you want to convert. So ang kailangan nating i-convert yung barrels to gallons. Ang 6 barrels, ilang gallons kaya yon? Okay? So, multiply it by conversion factor written as fraction. Make sure the unit that you want to convert from, yan na naman, sa convert from na naman tayo, is on the bottom. So, dapat si barrels nasa denominator, and the unit that you want to convert to, kung saan tayo, kung ano yung pagko-convertan natin is on top. So, yung gallons dapat ay nasa numerator. Okay, so ito siya. So, 1 barrel is equal to 31.5 gallons. Ito yung nasa English system of measurement. Yan yung equivalent niya. So, ang 6 barrels is equal to, this is not an equal sign. This is a multiplication. Same with this. Okay, sorry. Ayan. 31.5 gallons is equal to 1 barrel. So, ayan siya. Kasi, kailangan yung gallons is on top. Kasi, yan yung gusto nating i-convert to. And, convert from barrel nasa bottom. So, now let us, ayan, make sure that the old units cancel. So, kailangan nating i-cancel ang barrels and then barrels. So, matitira na lang is gallons. So, we have 6 multiplied by 31.5 and 1 multiplied by 1. That is, okay, 189 gallons. So, therefore, 6 barrels is 189 gallons. Okay, so let's have another example. Yan. So, convert 12,000 pounds to ohms. Okay, so first is we have to write the number that you want to convert. So, 12 pounds is equivalent to how many ounces? And next one, multiply it by conversion factor written as fraction. So, yung 1 pound, kung titignan natin dun sa English system, is equivalent to 16 ounces. Okay. So, make sure the unit that you want, okay, lagi tatandaan to. Ito yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Basta alam mo to, hindi ka malilito, okay? So, make sure the unit that you want to convert from ay nasa denominator or the bottom, okay? And the unit that you want to convert to is on top. So, siya yung nasa numerator. Okay? Una, ilagay mo yung number that you want to convert. Yun ay ang 12,000 pounds. Ito siya. Kahit wala na yung over 1, same lang to. Okay? Next is, multiply it. Okay, that multiply to dito equal sign. Okay? Sorry. Medyo typo siya. Ayan. Multiply it by conversion factor written as fraction. So, and then, ito yung lagi mong tandaan pag nagka-convert. Kapag convert from nasa bottom and yung gusto mong i-convert to nasa top. Kaya, pound dapat yung nasa denominator kasi pounds yung i-convert natin to ohms. And dahil gusto natin siyang ma-convert into ounces, nasa numerator dapat ang unit ng gusto natin pag-convertan. Okay? So, next one is multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, 12,000 multiplied by 16 and 1 multiplied over 1 multiplied by 1. And that is, of course, first is cancel the old unit. So, makakancel na ang pounds and pounds. So, 12,000 multiplied by 16. Simplify na natin. That is the fourth step. Last step. And the answer is 192,000 ounces. Therefore, 12,000 pounds is 192,000 ounces. So, that is measurement units, English to English. Okay, let's have another example. Convert 4,533 inches to feet. Okay, so the first step is isulat natin yung 4,533 inches. Okay? Ayan. Multiplied by, okay, kailangan ang over natin, convert from is yung inches. Tama? Okay, so inches tayo dito. And yung converto natin is to feet. Yan, feet. So, ilang inches meron ang isang feet? Ayan, so, ang inches natin, so 12 inches ay merong 1 foot. Okay, so ngayon, pwede na natin siyang i-cancel kasi may direct relation naman. Inches na dito, inches na. So, makakancel na natin. And that is equal to, of course, 4, 5, 3, 3. Or kahit may over 1 to, okay lang. Or kahit wala, pwede. So, ito, 4, 5, 3, 3 multiplied by 1. Of course, that is still 4, 5, 3, 3 over 12. Okay, and ang unit na nito ay feet kasi ang natitirang unit na lang natin ay feet kasi na-cancel na yung inches. So, yung feet na lang ang natitira. And what is 4533 divided by 12? So, calculator para sure ang ating sagot. Pwede naman ding mano-mano. Okay, so 4533 divided by 12, that is equal to 377.75. So 377.75, and the unit na gagawin natin, ay ang gagamitin natin is feet kasi kinonvert na natin siya. So this is your final answer. So therefore, ang 4,533 inches is 377.75 feet. Okay. So next. Okay, how about convert 5,400 inches to yards naman tayo. Okay, tignan mo dito. Inches, foot, and then feet, yard. Hindi siya agad na inches to yard. So it means to say, hindi natin pwedeng lampasan na inches na tas yard na agad. So ganito yung mangyayari. So first is we have 5,400 inches. Okay. Multiplied by, okay, kailangan inches muna dito sa baba. Yan. Eh, wala namang inches to yard agad-agad, di ba? Kailangan muna ng inches to foot muna. So, feet muna dito, or foot. Yan muna. And then, multiplied by, again, dito naman ay feet dito. Siyempre, feet naman dito sa baba niya. Para pwede natin i-cancel na ganyan. And then, dito, since may feet na, ayun pa lang, dun pa lang natin pwedeng ilagay si yard. Okay? So, this is yard. Ayan. Okay. So, first, this one. Ilang inches meron ang isang foot? Okay. 12 inches meron ang isang foot. Okay. So, ito muna yung isolve natin. So, 5,400 inches, cancel na yan. Cancel. Ang matitira ay feet na lang. So, 5,400 times 1, of course, that is 5,400 pa din. Diba? 5,400 pa din over 12 feet. And ilan yan? This is 5,400 divided by 12 is equal to 450. So, this one is 450 feet. Okay, di pa tayo tapos dyan. So, next, dahil tapos na tayo dito, ito na yung susunod natin. So, we have, tuloy lang natin. So, 450 feet. Okay, 450 feet multiplied by, ayan pa lang na, makukuha pa lang natin si yard. Okay, feet dito, and then yard dito sa taas. Okay, cancel na to nun. So, ilang feet meron ng isang yard? Okay, 3 feet ay isang yard. Okay, so 450 multiplied by 1, of course, that is still 450. And 450 divided by 3, so, yard na yung ating unit dito is equal to ilan? Ilan ang 450 divided by 3? Okay, that is 150. So, 150 yards is the final answer. So, meaning, ang 5,400 inches ay 150 yards. Okay? Next. Okay, so sa conversion of units from metric to metric naman na tayo. So, feeling ko mas madali ito basta alam mo yung pattern ng mga prefixes ng metric to metric. Ito yung mga may prefixes na mas madaling matandaan like kilo, hekto, deka, desi, centi, and milli. So, let's start. So, ito yung mga sinasabi ko. Ayan. So, km means kilometer. So, M to meter, etong L liter, and yung G is gram. So, this one, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Next, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. So, here are the metric system of measurement. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we have 15 centimeters to millimeters. Ito yung centimeters, ito yung millimeters. So, from centimeter to millimeter. So, ilang hakbang yon? Isa. Isang hakbang going to right. So, we have 15. Diba? At ang decimal point nito, kapag walang decimal kang nakikita, ay nasa dulo or right, pinaka-right side. Andyan yung kanyang decimal point. And since nag-move tayo, isa going to right, kailangan din natin dito mag-move ng isa going to right. Ayan, nag-move tayo. And then add 0. And then this is mm na. 150 millimeter. So, ang 15 centimeters is equivalent to 150 millimeters. Okay. For example, another example. Okay. For dam 2 centimeters. So, sa dam muna tayo. Okay, or decameter. So, we have, hanggang maabot natin sa centimeter. 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3 moves going to right. And then, we have 4. Diba? 4 yung ating ano. So, ang decimal point niya dahil wala ay nasa right side. So, ilang move tayo? Tatlo. We have 1, 2, 3. So, ilang 0 yon? So, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, ang 4 decameter is equivalent to 4,000 centimeter. Okay, so ganun siya. Next, how about 0.0745 kilogram to gram? Okay, so first is, lista muna natin yon. We have 0.0745 kilogram to ha. Okay, so let's move the decimal place to gram. So papunta ulit sa right. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, tatlong move going to right. And then next is hanapin mo yung decimal point. Ito yung decimal point natin. So kailangan natin siyang i-move ng tatlong beses going to right. So we have 1, 2, 3. So andito na nun yung point. So therefore, ang magiging sagot dito is 74.5 gram. Okay, so ang 0.0745 kilogram is equivalent to 74.5 gram. Okay, so that is how convert metric system to metric system. Basta alam mo lang yung pattern nito, madali lang mag-convert. Kasi nag-move ka lang ng decimal point. Okay? Yan yung pinaka-shortcut na pag-convert ng measurement to metric to metric. Ay, from metric to metric. Okay. Let's have another example. Next, convert 4.5 square meter to square centimeter. So, kung mapapansin mo, there is a word square. Okay? And when we say square, it is a power of 2. Okay? So, we have meter to centimeter. So, we have 1, 2. So, dalawang beses. So, notice that the arrow moves 2 notches times 2, which is the constant factor for area. Kasi nga, yung 2 square, diba, that is 2 multiplied by 2. So, we have 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. It means the decimal point of the numeral will move 4 places to the right. So, ayun yung sinasabi ko. Since dalawang beses siya minove, so that is square, and that is equal to 4. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Ibig sabihin, 4 na beses natin siyang i-move going to right. So, we have 4.5 meter to centimeter. I-move natin ng 4 na beses. So, ito yung decimal point niya. Move natin ng 4 na beses. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, mag-a-add tayo ng 0. So, therefore, ang 4.5 square meter is equivalent to 45,000 square centimeter. Okay? 45,000 square centimeter. Pwede ding cm square. Yan. Okay, so that is how I'm going to convert square meter, square centimeter. Ganun. Okay. Next. How about this one? We have 12.64 dm3 is how many? dm3 cubic decimeter is how many cubic centimeter. So, for the convenience of units for volume, take note that ang 1 liter is equivalent to 1 cubic decimeter. So, ito, bali 12.64 liter to. Okay? So, ang 1 liter is equivalent to 1 cubic decimeter. Okay? Or 1 liter. And, ang 1 ml is equivalent to 1 cubic centimeter. So, itong cm, ang cubic centimeter natin, this is ml kung dun sa isang metric system na L yung gagamitin. Later, papakita ko. So, this one movement of arrow to the right times 3 is 3. Means you are going to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So, ang 12.64, yan, diba? 12.64, 64. So, dito tayo sa DM. And then, i-move daw natin siya sa CM. So, 1 move siya, diba? So, that is, ang isang move daw ay equivalent ng 3 pag-move sa decimal point. So, this is 1. Since cubic siya, so this is 1 times 3, and that is equal to 3. Meaning, 3 beses natin siyang i-move yung decimal point. Okay? So, ito, i-move natin ng 3 beses kasi cubic siya. From the word cube, that is a power of 3. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. And then, mag-a-add tayo ng isang 0. So, therefore, ang 12,000, ang cubic decimeter, ang 12.64 cubic decimeter is equivalent to 12,640 cubic centimeter. So, that is, ayun siya. In other words, 12.64 liter is equal to 12,640 ml. Ito siya. Gamitin natin to. Lang, delete natin yung Okay, so from liter to ml. So, liter to ml. So, 1, 2, 3. So, ang 12.64 going to the right. Move natin yung decimal point ng 3 beses. 1, 2, 3. Okay, siya din ang makukuha kasi magiging siyang 12,640 ml. So, ayun na siya. So, that is how to convert cubic meter or liters. Okay. Next, how about this one? Convert 0.0042. So, first is, let us write the number with units. 0.0042. So, kilometer to meter tayo. So, mag-move tayo. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 beses. So, we have 1, 2, 3. So, ang point na nun is nandito. So, syempre, matatanggal na nun ang mga 0. Hindi na natin kailangang pag-isulat yun. So, that is 4.2 meters. So, ang 40 to 10,000 kilometer is equal to 4.2 meter. Okay, so ganon siya. Ganon kung paano mag-convert ng metric to metric. Okay, how about this one? 243 decaliter to ml. Decaliter to ml. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ay 243. Okay, wala siyang decimal point. So, ibig sabihin, invisible siya. Nandito. So, ilang move tayo? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, mag-add ka ng 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that is 2,430,000 ml. Okay? So, ganon ang pag-convert ng metric to metric. Okay, para mas madaling tandaan yung pattern, mas madali. Okay, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Okay, etong by, eto yung mga basic unit. It can be meter, liter, or gram. Okay, so King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. mm, cm, dm, m, dam, hm, km. Or pwede ding ml, cl, dl, l, dal, hl, kl. Or pwede ding mg, cg, yun naman yung milligram, ganon. So, ito yung mnemonic device. Okay, next, conversion of units from English to metric and vice versa. Ayan siya. So, bilisan lang natin. So, 3 inches to centimeter. So, ang 3 inches ay ilang centimeter? Okay, nakikita natin dito na ang 1 inch is equivalent to 2 centimeter. So, ang inches nasa bottom, ang centimeter dapat ay nasa taas. So, ito yung solution niya. So, ang 3 inches multiplied by, yan. So, inch sa baba, centimeter sa taas. Ang 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter. So, cancel na nun yung inch. So, 3 multiplied by 2.54 is equal to 7.62 centimeter. Okay, so, ganon ang mag-convert from English to metric or metric to English. Okay, next, convert 2 yards to centimeter. Okay, so walang direct agad na yards to centimeters. So, ayan, ito yung solution niya. So, dito, 3 feet is 1 yard. Since dapat 2 yards siya, diba? So, yard dapat dito. And wala naman agad na inches. So, feet muna tayo. And then feet, 2 inches. And then inches to centimeters. So, pwede na tayo mag-cancel yard, and then feet, inches. Okay, since 1 lang naman yung mga denominator natin, we just have to multiply their numerator. 2 times 3 times 12 times 2.54 is 182.88 centimeter. Next, how about 34.0686 liter to gallon? Okay, ang 34.0686 liter, ilang gallon yon? So, dito, meron na tayong direct. Ayan siya, gallon to liter. So, mas madali na lang sa atin. Ayan, 1 gallon is equal to 3.7854 liter. So, again, laging tatandaan, i-convert natin siya to gallon. So, kailangan nasa taas ang ating unit ng gallon and nasa baba ang liter para ma-cancel natin. So, liter. So, 34.0686 times 1 divided by 3.7854 is equal to 9 gallons. So, ayan. Okay, next. Ayan, conversion of time. So, ayan yung mga conversion of time. 60 seconds is 1 minute. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 24 hours, that is 1 day. 7 days, 1 week. 4 weeks, 1 month. 12 months, 1 year. 52 weeks is 1 year. And so on and so forth. Okay, let's have an example. Convert 2 days to hours. Okay, so 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So, of course, 2 days. Then, 1 day is equal to, ayan, ito siya. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So, cancel. So, 2 times 24, that is 48 hours. Next, how about 3 hours, 2 seconds? Okay, meron bang agad-agad na hours to second dito? Wala. So, kailangan muna nating daanan yung minutes bago tayo agad mag-seconds. So, this is, okay, ang 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and ang 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, hours dito, ayan, 3 hours, ito yung solution. So, hour muna dapat dito and then minutes muna. Di ba muna tayo pwedeng mag-seconds. Kailangan minute muna. So, hours, pwede na natin. Then, minutes dito, kailangan minute naman yung denominator dito para makancel natin. Para ang maiwan ay ang seconds lang. So, 3 times 60 times 60, that is 10,800 seconds. Okay. Conversion of temperature. So, sa conversion of temperature, we have the Celsius. Ito yung formula for Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Ang Kelvin, kailangan makuha mo. Kung naka-Fahrenheit siya, kailangan mo munang kunin yung Celsius niya para masolve mo yung Kelvin. Okay? Okay, so let's have an example. So, ito. 38.4 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. So, ito yung formula for Celsius. And then, pinalitan natin yung F ng 38.4 kasi yun yung Fahrenheit. So, 38.4 minus 32, that is 6.4. Okay? So, kopyahin lang muna to. Ito lang muna naka-parenthesis yung sinolve natin. That's why it became 6.4. Next is 6.4 times 5, that is 32 over 9. And then 32 over 9, that is 3.56 degree Celsius. Okay? So, this is the final answer. Okay, pwede mo din naman i-check sa Calcul. Okay. Next. Okay, ito naman. 35 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So, paano siya naging ganito? So, first is substitute the value of C. Ganito dapat yung format niya. 9 over 5 multiplied by C plus 32. Hindi magkasama yung C plus 32 agad-agad. Okay? Kailangan ito munang ma-solve bago yung plus 32 kasi mag-iiba yung sagot mo. So, let us substitute C, which is 35. Next is 9 times 35, that is 315 over 5. Copy mo lang ulit yung denominator, plus 32. And then, next is 315 divided by 5, that is 63 plus 32, and that is 95 degree Fahrenheit. Ang 35 degrees Celsius is 95 degree Fahrenheit. Okay? Okay, 29 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Ito, ganito lang din ang format niya. First is substitute natin yung C. Ito siya, 29. Next step is numerator multiplied by the Celsius. So, 9 multiplied by 29, that is 261 over 5. Kopyahin mo lang ulit yung denominator plus 32. Next, 261 divided by 5, that is 52.2 plus 32. And 52.2 plus 32, and that is equal to 84.2. Okay, degree Fahrenheit. So, ang 29 degrees Celsius is 84.2 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's it. Yan lang muna ang ating class for today. Bye!